Này. Hello, dear. Happy Wednesday. Hello, dear. Good evening. Happy Wednesday. Hello. Wow, you're so cute, my dear. What is your name?
My name is Pam.
Wow, what a cute name. My name is Teacher Erica. Wow. Pam, what is the spelling of your name?
Spell P A L M.
Wow, Pam. Wow. Cute name, just like you, my dear. How about, did you eat dinner today? You're so cute.
Con ăn tối chưa? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Wow, what did you eat? What did you eat?
Tofu. I eat. Tofu. I eat tofu. Tofu. I eat tofu.
Oh, can you say it again? I ate tofu.
Tofu. I eat tofu. I eat tofu.
Wow, who cooks your food, my dear?
Mày đọc như này này.
Who cooks your food? So,
My grandmother cook it. My grandmother cook it. My grandmother cook it.
wow, is it delicious, my dear? Is it delicious?
It's yummy. Yes. Yes, it's a. Yes, it is yummy.
Wow, I see. How about, what is your, oh, what is your hobbies, my dear?
I like choice.
Wow! Okay, can you say this one, my dear? My hobbies is to play toys. Can you say that again? My
My
hobbies
hobby
is,
choice
okay,
is
to play.
play choice.
Yay! Wow! Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, how about, did you go to school today?
School. Go to school. Go to school. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Wow. Okay. So, what is your grade?
One. Học lớp mấy? My grade is 1. My grade is 1.
Wow, you are grade 1. Wow. Okay. Do you have a homework?
Ada punya homework. Nhưng mà bạn con có bài tập không? Yes. Yes, I have.
Wow, very good, my dear. Good job. Okay, so today, are you ready for our class? Are you ready for our class? Wow, can you, yes, can you say it again, my dear?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready.
Wow, great. So today, my dear, okay. So today, okay, we will going to learn today. Okay.
Đúng không?
Okay, my dear, we will going to learn today about, okay, so first, today we will going to watch a video. Okay, I will going to play it now.
Everybody up! Up, up, up. Everybody up, up, up. Everybody up, up, up. Everybody up. Up, up, up. Everybody up, up, up. Everybody up, up, up. Everybody 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 up. Up, up.
Okay, so,
Everybody.
okay, welcome to our class for today. Okay, so first, my dear, you have to listen and you have to tell me what is their name. Okay, first. Okay. Okay. First, my dear. Okay. Who is she, my dear?
Yes.
Who is she? Julie.
Me.
Good job. Yes, very good, my dear. Good job. Next. Danny.
Danny.
Yes, good job, my dear. Very good. Next. Emma.
Emma.
Okay, good job. Mike.
Mike.
Very good. So, okay. Okay, wait. Okay. Can you please read this one, my dear? Hello, I'm Emma.
Hello, I am Anna.
Very good. And then, hello, I'm Mike.
Hello, I am Mike.
Very good. Next. Hi, I am Julie.
Hi, I am Junie.
Very good. Next. Hi, I am Danny.
Hi, I'm Danny.
Very good. Yay. Good job, my dear. Okay. Next. So we will going to sing, my dear. Hello, I'm Julie. Can you say that one again, my dear?
Hello, I am Junie.
Yes, very good. Next. Hello, I am Danny.
Hello, I am Danny.
Very good. Hello, I am Emma.
Hello, I am Emma.
Very good. Hello, I am Mike.
Hello, I am Mike.
Very good. Hello, I am Julie.
Hello, I am Junie.
Very good, my dear. Hello, I am Danny.
Hello, I am Danny.
Good job. Next. Hello, I am Emma.
Hello, I am Emma.
Very good. Next. Hello, I am Mike.
Hello, I am Mike.
Yes, good job, my dear. Very good. How about you? What is your name?
My name is Pam.
Wow, can you say this one? Hello, I'm Pam. Can you say that one?
Hi. Hello. My name is Pam.
Yes, good job. Very good, my dear. Okay, next. Okay, so we will going to listen again. Okay, can you please say this one, sing?
Sing.
Good job again. What is this, my dear? Sing.
Sing.
Good job. Again, what is this? Sing.
Sing.
Very good. Next, talk. Talk. Yes, good job. Very good, my dear. Next, sit.
Sit.
Good job. Again, what is this? Stand.
Sit down.
Very
Stand.
good. Okay, good job, my dear. Very good. Yay. Very good, my dear. Good job. Okay. Next. So, again, what is this, my dear? Okay. Okay. Yes, good job. Very good, my dear. Next. What's this? Talk.
Talk.
Good job. Okay, again, what is this? Sit.
Sit.
Yes, very good. My dear, this is sit. As you can see in the picture, this is sit. Good job. Next, what is this?
Stand.
Wow! Very good, my dear. Good job. Yay. Okay, we will go to our next topic. Okay. Oh. Okay, my dear. We will go to our next. Okay. Okay. Okay, my dear. So today we will learn about alphabet. Okay. Okay, again, what is this, my dear?
It is apple.
Yes, good job. How about this one? What is this? A.
It's letter A.
Very good, good job. Okay, again, what is this? What is this letter? Letter?
It's letter A.
Good job. Very good. Okay. Next. Hi, I am an angry apple.
Hi,
An Hungry.
Hungry.
Apple.
Apple.
A.
Apple.
A. This is a sound.
This is
The.
asa.
Good job. A sound. This is a sound.
A sound.
Good job. This is.
This is
The letter.
a letter I.
Good job. Very good. Yay. Okay, next. Okay, wait. What is the beginning sound? Okay, what letter is this? Again, my dear?
I.
Yay! Very good job. Okay, next. How about this one? What kind of fruit is this? What is this?
Is apple.
Yes, good job. Okay, next. How about this one? What is this? Axe.
Trời ơi, mẹ bảo cho con bê cùng với vợ dùng mà.
Axe.
Bê cả cùng với vợ.
Good job. Again, what is this, my dear?
It is us.
Yay! Very good job. Very good girl. Okay, next. Number 3. What is this?
This
Ants.
and
Yes, good job. Again, what is this, my dear?
it is and.
Yay! Very good. Okay, next. How about this one? Alligator.
Alligator.
Yes, again, what is this?
It is alligator.
Yes, good job. That's right. Okay, next. Okay. Can you please write the letter A, my dear? In the air, you have to do this. Yay, good job. That's right. Okay. Listen, then write A or cross it out. Okay. Okay, my dear. Can you please write the A again? Good job. Very good. Yay. Good. That's right. Okay, next. Okay. Again, my dear. What is this?
It is orange.
Good job. Very good. How about this one?
It is apple.
Good job. How about this one?
It is alligator.
Yes, again. And the last one, what is this?
It is
Axe.
us.
Yes, good job. Very good job. Okay. Next. Okay, next. What is the letter is this?
It's a letter B.
Yes, good job. That's right. Okay, how about this one? What animal is this?
A.
Bear. Can you say it again? Bear.
A.
Good job. Hello.
Hello.
I am
I am
a big
a bean.
bear.
Bê.
Bear.
Good job. B.
B.
This is the B sound.
B is a boot sound.
Yes, good job. This is the letter B. This is
It is a letter B.
Yes, good job. B, big bear.
B, big bear.
Very good job. Okay. Next. Okay. My dear, what is the sound of this?
It is letter B.
Good job. How about the sound? What is the sound of letter B?
B.
Yeah, good job. That's right. Okay. Next. Again, what is this, my dear?
It is bear.
Very good. Or big bear. Again, this is
It
the big.
is green bear.
Big.
i-
Big
Good. That's right. Okay. Next, how about this one?
this
Bird.
it is a bird.
Yes, good job. Again, what is this, my dear?
It is a bird.
Good job. Okay, next. How about this one?
It is a bat.
Yes, good job. That's right. Okay, how about this one? Wait, how about this one, my dear?
Banana.
Yes, good job. That's right. Okay. Okay, can you please write in the air letter B? Good job. How about the sound? What is the sound of letter B?
B.
Yes, good job. That's right. Okay. Okay, in the letter B, what is this?
Is a bear.
Good job. How about this one?
It's a banana.
Good job. How about this one?
It's a bird.
Very good. Oh no. This one?
It is a bat.
Good job. How about this one again? What is this?
It is apple.
How about this one?
It is a
Alligator.
alligator.
Good job. How about this one?
It is a
Ox.
horse.
Good job. Very good, my dear. Good job. That's right. Okay. Okay, so that is the letter B. Next. Again, what is this, my dear?
It's a bat.
How about this one?
This a bear.
Good job. How about this one?
It's a banana.
Good job. And the last one?
It's bird.
Yes, very good. Good job, my dear. You're the very good girl. Okay. Next. Okay, so my dear, this is the end of that unit 1. So we will go to our next okay. Okay, again. Okay. How old are you, my dear? How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Wow. Okay. Do you have a sister?
Now I'm sister.
How about brother? Do you
I
have a
don't
brother?
Brother.
Yes, I have baby brother.
Wow, what color? What is your favorite color?
I like pink.
Wow, how about what is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
Wow! How about what is your favorite toy? What's your favorite toy, my dear?
I like
Do-
like cookie.
Do you like Barbie or
I like Lego.
Wow, Lego! Okay, again, my dear. My name is Pam.
My name is Pam.
I am 6 years old.
I am 6 years old.
I have a brother.
I have his brother.
Good job. I like pink.
I like pink.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
Okay, good job. I like playing Lego.
I like play Lego.
Yes, good job. Very good, my dear. Okay. So, my dear, can you please read this one? My name is Danny.
My name is Danny.
Good job. I am 8.
I am 8.
I have a sister.
I have a sister.
I like green.
I like green.
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I don't like green pizza.
I don't like green pizza.
Yes, good job. Okay, next. I am Emma.
I am Emma.
I am 8.
I am 8.
I have a brother
I have a brother
and a sister.
and a sister.
Good job. This is my backpack.
This is my backpack.
I like
I like
my backpack.
I like my backpack.
Yes, good job. That's right. Okay, again. My name is Julie. I'm 9. I have 2 brothers.
I have 2 brothers.
I can play soccer.
I play soccer.
I like soccer.
I like soccer.
Good job. Next. I am Mike.
I am Mike.
I am 9.
I am 9.
I have a brother.
I have a brother.
Good job. I have a bike.
I have a bike.
I like my bike.
I like my bike.
Yes, good job, my dear. Very good job. Okay, next. Okay. My dear, I think that's all for today. Thank you, my dear. Again, what is your name again, my dear?
My name is Pam.
Wow. Okay. How about me? What is my name? Yeah. Yes, good job. That's right, my dear. Nice to meet you, Pam.
Teacher.
Yay! Thank you, ba. Thank you, my dear. And good night. Goodbye. See you. See you when I see you. Bye-bye.